I used to have a morning routine with 11 steps. I did it for 4 days. This is the one I've kept for over a year. 4 things. That's it. First 60 minutes, no phone. Your brain wakes up in a low cortisol state. The moment you open notifications, you hand your attention to everyone else's agenda. Outside within 30 minutes of waking. 10 minutes of natural light sets your circadian clock and anchors your cortisol curve, which means better sleep that same night. Protein within the first hour, not oats. Protein and fat. Stable blood sugar, stable energy. No mid-morning crash, no second coffee. Write one thing, not a list, the one thing that makes today a success. Then do that first, before email, before everything. 4 steps. Done.
Cold water on your face the moment you wake up. Not an ice bath, not a cold shower. 30 seconds. It spikes alertness faster than your first coffee, and it costs nothing.
The version of you that keeps snoozing, he's losing. Daily.